MPDX is a free, secure web and mobile app that helps you build and maintain your team of financial ministry partners. MPDX is broken into sections that allow you to look at and connect with your partners in many different ways. The MPDX dashboard shows you how things are going and what you need to focus on next. The contact area shows you your contacts and a summary of information about them. It allows you to filter and focus on a specific group of contacts and allows you to work with many contacts at one time. The task area shows you your tasks and allows you to filter, sort, and work with your tasks. The reports area lets you look at your donations in a number of different ways. By the donations that have come in each month, what you can expect to come in for the rest of the month, and the 13-month report that you can expand for a big picture view. If you receive donations in multiple currencies, we have reports to show you a summary of donations in both the currency you get paid in and the currency that your partners give in. The Tools area contains a number of tools to import and work with your information in MPDX. We have a number of sources you can import from, such as Google, TNT Connect, or a spreadsheet. Then, you can use the Merge tools to merge together duplicate contacts that come in from donation services and the sources you import from. Finally, we have tools to help you choose the right primary contact information after doing all that importing and merging. There is also a tool that will look at your partner's giving patterns to suggest commitment amounts and frequency accordingly, and another tool to help set your partner newsletter status. This should save you setup time. Finally, Settings is where you can set your personal preferences, update your notifications you receive, and connect to your organization and other external services. That is a quick overview of how MPDX is set up. Feel free to take some time exploring all of what MPDX has to offer.